Hello, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I've been practicing with AI generated imaging and I wanted to try Microsoft Bing and I figured why not try it with you guys? So this is the first time I'm checking it out. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll start with searching for Bing in our browser. Bing Image Creator and Image Creator from Microsoft Designer Bing. So when we first come in, it looks like it's showing us some samples of what the AI generator is capable of producing. And what we want to do is start with the prompt. I have been trying out some AI generated imaging, mostly in Canva, just to see how it is and what creations I'm able to make. So I'm going to use some of those prompts that I did in Canva to see how they work over here in Bing. So I'll start with a simple one to see what results we get. With prompts, you want to make them as detailed as possible to get the image that you're imagining in your head that you want to see. So let's try this first one. Let's get some blue and yellow butterflies. Let's have them flying in a field. Let's have the day sunny and clear skies. And let's see if it gives us a rainbow as well. And I click join and create. I want you to sign in. So give me one moment to sign in. Okay, got through all of that. Like I said, it is my first time using Microsoft Bing. So if you don't have your account set up and signed in already, it is going to prompt you to sign in. And we put in our prompt on the previous screen, and it's creating our prompt. This 15 says create images more quickly with Boost. If you run out, image generation may take longer. Have your name at the top. This little symbol. Alright, so our images are complete, and this will be got from our blue and yellow butterflies with the rainbow, clear skies, sunny day. They're flying in the field, and this was our outcome. And so let's try a couple more prompts and see what we come out with. I'm just gonna backspace this, see what happens here. American girl with long black hair. We'll have her wearing workout clothes, sneakers. Excuse my spelling. Let's have her holding a basketball and at the basketball court. Let's see what this more complex image comes out with. I'm going to select create and then we're going to let it work. It gave us a tip. Try adding a style such as digital art. Try a robot made of analog studio equipment, digital art. And what I think this prompt is gonna come out is gonna make your image come out to look like that. That finished a lot faster than the first one. We now have 14 images left, and this is what our prompt produced. I think that is pretty neat. What I usually have an issue with in Canva is their hands won't look like hands and their face will look droopy, but I am actually liking this. This came out really nice. And that makes me want to try more. So let's try another image. I'm going to hit this X just to start over. The first time I backspace, but I'll hit the X. Gives me a new prompt. Let's try African American boy. Let's see what this one turns out with. Let's give him a red sweatsuit. Let's give him a football since we gave our female a basketball. And then let's see if what it does at the football field. Our basketball court actually put her on a basketball court. So let's do the opposite for the male. Let's create. If you notice the previous images that I did, they're saving over to the side on recent. I did read previously that it saves them for 90 days. And there's another tip that says use camera angles in your prompts. This one turned out really well too. I like these. Those are pretty cute. And then we do have our football fields in the back. They're holding the football as we said, and he has on a red sweatsuit. It gave us 4 different images to choose from. Let's click on one and see what happens. Alright, so when you click on your image, you get more options. You can share it, save it, you can download, or you can customize it. So let's see what happens if we try to customize. Looks like it's taking us to a designer. And we can make changes to the image if we like. So I can replace. Now you can replace the image with another one. You can remove the background. You can crop it. We have some image tools. There's some templates there. You can even add different graphics and elements to it if you like. This makes it really look realistic. There's some ideas over to your right. Different things you can do. If you wanted to add it to make it like a slideshow, you can add your own text. So if you needed to make a flyer or something like that, that'll work really well for that. I have different templates over here to the left. Let's see if I click on if it's going to replace it. Oh, it added our image in that we just created. So that's pretty neat. And then you can edit as you need to. So there's a lot you can do. Not just create the image, but it looks like you can take it even further and make some changes to it. That is good to know. Alright, so I want to do one more prompt to see if it can give us something more complex. I'm going to add multiple people to an image with a little more prompt into it. So let's try with multiple females. So we'll do 5 females. Let's dress them in formal wear, formal dresses. Sitting at a formal dining table. Let's try in the dining, let's see, dining room table. And then in the room I want luxury furniture. And a gold chandelier. Alright. Well, let's see what it comes up with that you're going to create. And it gave us another tip. At the bottom we have a status bar, which shows us that our image is being created. But it went faster than the bar. So we have 4 new images. Let's click on this and see what we get. Some of the faces are a little distorted, which is kind of a problem that I have in Canva, if you can see that. Like hers looks like her eye is not as detailed as the other eye. Same for this one. But everything else, we have them in a dining room, luxury furniture, we have a gold chandelier, a dressed in formal wear. Let's try the other pictures. I think we can press this arrow to go to the next one. Oh, they're really pretty. This is really pretty. Again, it followed our prompts. Again, it followed what we said. They're in a dining room, gold chandelier, they're in formal dresses. And then this last one is as well. Very nice. So I do think I'm going to continue to play with Microsoft Bing. If I find any new features or anything else that I feel will be beneficial to you guys, I'll come back with another video. Thank you so much for watching.